In this video, I will show you a 7-day plan to help you start speaking English every single day.
You can make a big change in your confidence. You can break the fear of speaking, and you can start building a strong speaking habit. Think of this week as a training camp for your English. Why 7 days? When we have a time frame, it helps us stay focused, stay motivated, stay accountable. Experts say it usually takes 30 days to build a habit. Speaking is also a habit. So if you do this plan for 7 days, it will give you a powerful start. And if you continue for 30 days, you will see even better results. Step 1. Warm up with tongue twisters every morning. Start with tongue twisters. Why? Because your mouth and face muscles also need practice, just like your body when you exercise. Example tongue twisters. She sells seashells by the seashore. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Say them again and again until your mouth feels tired. Do this for about 10 minutes each day. You can also use simple sentences, not only tongue twisters. The point is to warm up your speaking muscles. Step 2. Shadowing. Shadowing is one of the most powerful methods. Here's how it works. Choose a short audio or video clip. It can be from a movie, podcast, or even your favorite actor. Play about 20 to 30 seconds of it. Repeat the words exactly after the speaker. Copy the speed, tone, and pronunciation. At first, it feels hard, but after a few days, you will notice your speech becoming more natural. Shadow for 10 to 20 minutes each day. This exercise improves pronunciation, rhythm, vocabulary, natural speaking style. Step 3. Answer questions next. Practice answering questions. Find common questions like, what do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you do on weekends? What's your favorite book or movie? Answer them out loud. Don't just think, speak. Tip. Record yourself on your phone. Then, listen back. Notice your mistakes. Check your pronunciation, grammar, and speed. This will take about 30 minutes each day. Free versus paid practice now. Let's talk about commitment. Free exercises are good, but sometimes we don't stick to them. When you invest money, you often take it more seriously. Here are some paid options. One-on-one lessons with teachers online Cambly, Italki, Lingoda, etc. Speaking clubs where you talk with others. Language coaches who help with confidence and fluency. Apps like Elsa and other conversation apps for daily speaking. I personally like one-on-one lessons because the teacher can focus only on your needs. Step 4. Join speaking clubs and find partners. Practice with real people. Join speaking clubs online or in your city. Find a speaking partner who also wants to improve. Practice with them every day, even for 15 to 20 minutes. If you don't know what to talk about, you can use simple topics. Family, travel, food, hobbies, daily routine. This builds real life communication skills. Step 5. Use apps. Technology can help you practice more. Apps like Elsa Speak English Conversation Practice. Learn English speaking. These apps give you exercises to repeat and practice every day. Even 10 to 20 minutes on an app can make a difference. Example daily schedule now. Let me give you a sample plan for one intensive day. Tongue twisters 10 minutes, shadowing 20 minutes, answering questions 30 minutes, learning with an app 20 minutes, lesson with a teacher 1 hour, speaking partner 1 hour, speaking club 1 hour. That's about 4 hours total. Too much? Don't worry. You can do half of it, or even just a few exercises. The important thing is to practice every day. Step 6. Focus on speaking, not perfection during these 7 days. Don't worry too much about grammar. The main goal is to use English daily. Yes, grammar is important, but fluency comes from speaking often. If grammar is your biggest problem, then ask your teacher for help. But don't let grammar stop you from speaking. Final thoughts: after 7 days of intensive practice, you might feel tired. That's normal. Your brain is working hard, but give it a few days and you will notice more confidence, faster responses, clearer pronunciation, less fear of speaking. Remember, you have nothing to lose, only to gain. Keep going and continue building the habit. Even 10 minutes a day is better than nothing. Thank you for watching. I hope this 7-day speaking plan helps you start your journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English tips. And in the comments, tell me, which exercise will you try first? Take care and see you in the next video.